You will love the features of this 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HDCC. The Chevrolet 3500 HD Chassis Cab CC is a robust, heavy-duty pickup truck designed to handle the toughest jobs. It offers a choice between a 6.6 L V8 gasoline engine and a 6.6 L Duramax V8 turbo diesel engine, both paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The 3500 HDCC comes in regular cab and crew cab configurations and offers both rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive options. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: convenience package, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, intelligent auto on/off high beams, pre-collision system, tires all-terrain, keyless entry, navigation system, 8-cylinder engine, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi hotspot. Known for its high payload capacity and impressive towing capabilities, it is an ideal choice for heavy-duty work and commercial use.